Hello guys, this is Cash and you're watching my channel Cash Tech Freaks. So today's video is about precision. How much your mouse should be sensitive to give you a highest precision possible. Now just look at these guys. How am I able to do it? It's because of the I missed this one. This one is like it looks so easy in training, but it's not that easy. So it was not about me quick-shotting some random moving objects. It was about how can you increase your precision. Now just let me tell you something. First of all, let me just apply cheat pads and all to all these snipers. Flash and suppressor, right? Assault rifle suppressor. Just so here we go. Let me just tell you guys something. First of all, I'm gonna tell you guys with snipers. The first shot, second shot, third shot, fourth shot, fifth shot, sixth shot, seventh shot. Come on, reload. Eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. So this was when I am using 1000 DPIs only. 1000 DPIs is a quick range good for. Now I'm going to increase the range to 4000 DPIs. First shot, second shot, third shot, fourth shot, fifth shot, sixth shot, seventh shot. Oh my god, this one's that's filthy. Eighth shot, ninth shot, 10th shot, 11th shot, 12th, and this one is now. If you guys noticed, the last time I just shot on that guy over there, it didn't took me that much of a time. Now the difference gets increased with increase in distance. So you can see I am not able to precise it on anything. Like it's moving too fast. Like I'm not even moving my mouse half a centimeter. Half a centimeter is too much. I think 1 millimeter is enough. I'm not even moving my mouse. 1 millimeter is going like this is 1 millimeter movement. Look at this, 1 millimeter movement. Now this is 2000 DPI. I think it's the idle DPI for everyone. For faster and slow, you can see how fast this was. Look, I'm on the target all the time. Now this one, boom. This one, boom. Now this is the 2000 DPI range, the so-called fast rate. Let's just go to the 8x scope and I just do the precision attacking. First of all, I just shot it in a single shot. Now, this one is lowest DPI possible, and let me just go to the highest DPI setting. Yep, it is the highest. Now look at this. Holy crap! How the hell am I supposed to? Now, guys, this was with sniper rifles, and now I'm going to take a Groza and try to do the trials with Groza. Let me just pick up the Groza. Oh, where is it? Yep, here it is. Pick it up, and here we go. Now let me just pick up the Groza and tell you guys what is the possible sensitivity that you should keep to have your assault rifle get going and get the bestest of best aim possible. Brr, 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 and last one, brr. I'm gonna reload it and trying to check on these guys. Brr. You can see aim is precisious. Where's that thing? Yep. Yeah. Now the aim was too precise. Now let's just increase the DPI to. Yeah, this is the highest. Oh my god, it's not setting up over here. Now in close combat, the target is too big. Oh, look at this. High aim is precisious. It's more precisious. Holy crap, I cannot just. Ah, it's awful. But when it comes to, holy crap, how the hell am I supposed to shoot in the 4000 DPI? It's impossible. It's impossible. Ah, it's impossible. Yep. You're able to shoot at closest range. So in the closest range, you are able to control recoil also. So the more far your enemy goes, the more it is impossible to control the recoil, as you can see. So you have to burst fire on your enemy. Let's start. So I just completed the course way easily. Now this is the runaround course which I completed way easily. Now, yes, this is the highest DPS in it. Whoa, whoa, what the fuck is going on? Oh shit. Now this was at 4000 DPI. Look at this unprecedented aim. Look at it. Now this is what I'm going to tell you guys. Now I'm going to give you guys a solution to all this. First you gotta do is you gotta go to your Windows and click here, mouse. Here you will get this mouse settings, and in the mouse settings you have to go advanced mouse setting, pointer option, and this would be enabled by default. You have to disable it. Click on apply, click on OK, and also this one will be over here. You have to get it in the center, and you do it. Voila. Now what was that setting? That setting was like, look at this, look how prestigious this aim is. Now that setting was the mouse acceleration. as it was called in Windows, as it was called in Windows 8. Like, tips. Tip number 1: have lower DPI settings. Now, Shroud plays at 400 DPI, and but my mouse can go as low as 300 DPI, as low as 1000 DPI only. So I cannot tell you what 400 DPI look like. So if you are not able to have a low DPI, just go to sensitivity and decrease the sensitivity of everything to just 10% or 50%. Is you can get the camera on 50%. It's okay. First person no scope should be this much. Well, what the fuck? It's 20%. Red dot holographic scope. If you get it on low, it will still be more. So what to do now? Get this one on 40%, third person no scope. 45, 50%. 50% should be enough. 50, 51, 52, it doesn't matter. 50% it should be enough. 3x no scope, decrease it to 11%. 6x scope, decrease it to 12 or 10%. 8x scope to 8% is actually something good. 8-9% is good. 4x or VSS, it's 11%. 11% is good. You can just increase or decrease. But what I'm doing is I'm just keeping it on low by default. Still is look at this low. Holy shit, sensitivity is too high and low. Like, what if I do on medium? Holy shit, look at this thing. Now this one is a 4. I know this one is 1000 DPI. Anyways, this one is 1000 DPI, this one is 2000, this one is 3000, this one is 4000. Like, look at this. How can you just aim on this thing? So that was it, guys. Hope you liked my video and hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, guys. Please stay subscribed, and those who are watching this, please subscribe. Thank you, guys. See you later in another video.